Thei lấy ta sạch chấm rồi promise bụng nó ai bè me thei.
Ta memot ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Laingut ki Thei Ïalehkai cricket bat kawai support staff nak jala Meghalaya ke Syajid ban Mikmat chaka North East Zone hak Lampung Ïalehkai Senior Women Interzonal One Day Trophy arja pun Rio balapan long daga BCCI ha Bengaluru. Ya ka kanhun Ïalehkai jaga North East Zone an yalam daga Devas Mita Datta na Meghalaya kum ka captain. Kad ba arngut ki wai pat ki Thei Ïalehkai kilong ka Rovi Chitri na Rivhoi district bat ka Daïaka Warjri na Eastern West Khas Hills district. Kadari sisa mauro na Shillong la Syajid kum ka strength and conditioning coach nak benta ka kanhun Ïalehkai jaga North East Zone. Kanin kanhun Ïalehkai jaga North East Zone ka kanthub ya ki Thei Ïalehkai ni hinri tuli ki jala bi kanthub ya ka Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland bat Sikkim.
My name is Thei. I am the manager of the Northeast Zonal Senior Women's Team. I am from Nagaland. It is an honor for me to be managing the team. However, I think the players from Northeastern states are growing massively when it comes to cricketing team. And then I hope and I pray that they represent our India in the future days. Thank you.
Talking about the Northeast team, I think we have a good balanced team, and overall their maturity level in the game, it has improved a lot, and we are hoping that this time we are going to give the best of the game.
हम लोग का जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट टीम जो अभी बन रहा है कि अभी टीम बॉन्डिंग और टीम बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. हम लोग होप कर रहे हैं कि इस बार हमारे टीम बहुत पॉजिटिव मतलब बहुत अच्छा होगा कि हम प्लेयर्स को भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस और मेंटली पहले से बहुत बेहतर हो रहा है.
Hello everyone, I'm Debasmita Datta, captain of the Northeast Zonal team. I'm from Meghalaya and I'm really grateful to MCA for providing me this wonderful opportunity, and I hope I'll do give my best performance throughout this tournament. Thank you so much.
I'm Warjri, na po mairang kunjong ibarat ikuto pati doyarlen Warjri. The masyong sa hapo mairang but ni kong ngamlak na ingo ublay ya ba latar ning lang kumjo yang hadu kan ni klimat ka pamenta hoot kumjo kalong ka ba kasin ka maning kong yang abangan Syajid kum ka interzonal senior women's interzonal kabalang hani hapo Bangalore de ngalayo sibon ki experience but kumjo nga sokuman ba banyol ikalang bat ki kidon hi khindet baki kum ki players Indian. My
name is Thei. Right now I'm in Bangalore for interzonal one-day matches. I got selected for this tournament. I'm very lucky, and thank you MCA Meghalaya Cricket Association for supporting me and my team, and because of they gave me the opportunity to represent the interzonal one day. So I thank you and wish us all the best. Thank you so much.
Change. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Tap. Next. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it.
Kerteng jonga dari sisya maura syang hasa po Shillong, and qualification jonga kadi ka BCCI SNC coached, and hingkong ang I could play MCA but NCDC ba I kat kadi kalat ban wan naman tan kadi ka interzonal women one day, senior women one day, and Syajid na menta jong kadi ka interzonal team, and napo Meghalaya but we don't know which state bawan but we should pata about interzonal senior women team one day,
And so sarong bat masuk keman ba kita pilih lain na basa ajit na Meghalaya team banwan penusul tahi and juru idon juru captain tu tadi na po Meghalaya cricket team ni teng kublai ru ya kini ka BCCI ba ai kat kini ka platform mo kena Thei ni and kumjuru kidon ki ba nak Indian player bawan Ïalehkai Ban seperti ketika itu Zonal, te katahi banang nish kaman ba hindon ki kena ru ban shushu na pop Meghalaya team.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.